Hey guys, it's your girl Anna, and today I'm back with another video. Today we'll be doing roast fish the Jamaican style. So here, as you can see, we have some fish, and this is freshwater fish. So I'll just be cleaning and prepping for seasoning. Here we have some pumpkin and the Irish potato boiling, and this is what we're going to put in the filling. Here we have some callaloo greens, and I've already cut it up and already washed it. Now, you can eliminate the callaloo or you can eliminate the pumpkin, but I find both give it a nice flavor. Here we have some okra, onion, Scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, and scallion. We're now going to melt some butter to start the filling. You could just cut one tablespoon and put in the pot, but I'm just rubbing the butter over the hot pot, and hence the reason for melting. So once you have had enough, you are going to gauge your stove to medium heat, and now you're going to add your greens. So I'm putting the callaloo in the grease pot with the butter, and now I'm adding onion, scallion, thyme, okra, and a bit of ginger. I'm just going to combine these. I wish you could smell this nice aroma. So the yellow that you're seeing, it's some sweet pepper along with Scotch bonnet pepper. Different color pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper give you different flavor. We're going to cover and leave to steam. Now the pumpkin and Irish is cooked. We have added 2 tablespoons of butter to this, and we're just going to mash it. And the butter will give this a nice flavor. And when I was cooking the Irish and the pumpkin, I did not add any salt, and this is salted butter. Because I'm going to add this to the callaloo, and the callaloo will be seasoned, hence the reason for not adding any salt. So here we are seasoning the callaloo, and I'm adding some Maggi fish season here, and then I'm going to add some Maggi All Purpose and give that a stir. Now I'm going to add the pumpkin and Irish puree that we just did. Look at the lovely color, look at the texture, and I'm just going to combine all of the ingredients. Trust me, this is to die for. This can be eaten outside the fish. You can serve this with fried dumpling or rice, whatever you want to serve it with. Trust me, once you try this, you will stick with it. So I'm just ensuring that everything is evenly incorporated, and I'm going to cover this and put to simmer for about 5 minutes on low heat. Here we have the fish we have already washed and prepped. I put some cuts on the outer part of it, because they're big enough fish. Most of these fish weigh about 1 pound, or at least 3/4 of a pound. I've seasoned with black pepper, a little Maggi, a little oregano, and I am now going to add the filling. So the filling is ready, and it is ready when it is cooked to about 80%, because now after putting the filling, we are going to put the fish to cook again. So you don't want to cook the filling to the exact 100% cook. You want to bring it to about 80%, so that the filling won't be too soft when you are eating. Now remember, when adding the filling, do not overload the fish. because if you put too much, the filling may not be cooked to your liking, because it will take a time, some while, for the heat to get to the filling. And remember, it is just 80% cooked, so you need the additional 20%. So I'm just putting the filling into all the fish that we have here. And once I've put the filling in each and every one, we're then going to wrap it with foil paper. So you need to get your foil paper ready and your grease. You can use oil, but I like to use the butter. So you are going to roll a piece of the foil paper, grease it with the butter. As you can see, I'm just rubbing it. Add the fish to the center of the foil and just wrap it. Secure the ends and repeat the process. If for any reason the fish bone has bored the foil, you can double wrap it. You can wrap it twice. Don't add too much foil paper though, because remember, we are going to do it outside and it won't be done in an oven where the heat will be circulated. So you need to know you just add the right amount of foil paper. And I've added the butter to ensure that the fish won't stick to the foil paper, because doing it outside, you're going to have the coal or the wood underneath it. So the wrapping is finished. We're now going to add it outside for it to cook, and it will take about 20 minutes. Once you have placed it on the roasting tray, it will soon be ready. Added a little water to it for it not to burn, but here. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.